Do you feel like you're spending a fortune on data storage? Employees are creating and sharing more file types than ever before, causing a business's data volume to rocket skyward. The problem is, storage needs to be quickly scaled to meet the changing needs of your employees. Otherwise, be prepared for costly downtime as a result of this explosion of data. One traditional approach is to purchase a storage area network, or SAN, but their high cost often exceeds the budgets of most small businesses. Windows Server delivers storage that scales with your business, so your employees get the storage they need when they need it. So if you're working on projects that need room to grow, storage can be allocated quickly with no loss in productivity. Eliminate costly downtime and get the storage you need without spending a fortune using Windows Server.